Data science for competitive advantage starts with the vision. A vision provided, fostered, and maintained by business. As reported by the Harvard Business Review, the worst mistake a company can make is to hire data scientists, give them access to data, and expect them to come up with something brilliant. Instead, this workshop is designed to help business leverage data science for innovative solutions. And it is intended to empower business to embrace data science as a collaborative effort led by business. The Vision Workshop guides participants, both business and data science members, through a formal process of identifying innovative ideas and solutions that are subsequently ranked and prioritized by the team, who then further define their feasibility. The end result being valid use cases that are loaded into the product backlog. The product backlog contains use cases at various levels of maturity and priority, from immature to development ready. From a business perspective, the right application of data science is key to competitive advantage. From a data science perspective, a pipeline of mature and prioritized work is necessary for productivity. There are 4 key vision workshop stages conducted within a 9-day period. They include prep, where we examine the client industry, market in which they compete, their analytic ecosystem, and tailor the workshop content accordingly. Discovery, here we guide the participants to generate innovative ideas for the application of data science and then prioritize those ideas as a group. Use case initialization is the process of maturing an idea into a viable use case. Here we evaluate different areas of maturity, including the necessary data and the expected use case business value and impact. Product backlog is the final stage to the workshop. We start by reviewing the role of the product backlog and the product owner as defined in Agile. We then examine the client's current product backlog, which includes existing use cases as well as the new ones from the workshop. We continue refining and prioritizing the product backlog in collaboration with business and data science team members. An optional proof of concept workshop is available. Here we take one of the top use cases from the product backlog, assuming data is available, and further mature and validate the use case, as well as conduct data exploration, feature engineering, and modeling. Early findings are presented. The POC is conducted within 5 additional days. For more information on the Vision Workshop, contact us directly at the information provided.